guys and gals, Brad here. LaytonSportsCards were ripping 1920 NT basketball 2-box number 6, left side number style. Let me scroll back to the top. Alright, let me scroll over these results for you real quick. We'll be doing the break here in just a second. You can find the results on the results tab of the website, as always, if you want to read them over yourself. I put a link in chat as well, and we'll be calling out who gets what as we do this break. There you go, Chris L at the bottom. Let's do it, guys. 2 boxes. Random style cases coming up right after this. I think Rich is working on that promo that I'm supposed to do at the end of the night. So we should be doing that at the end of the night at a decent time. And right after that promo random, Magic Matt hops in for personals after loot breaks tonight, guys. Okay, we have base. 6 of 10. Giannis Antetokounmpo, 6 spot.
Nick P.
Nick P. Nice. Gold Giannis. 1 of 1. Yellow plate. Marc Gasol, 1 spot.
Eric S.
Eric S. Jumbo jersey. Paul Millsap. 94 of 99.
Ryan S.
Ryan S. Nice, thanks, Matt. Patch card. Kyle Lowry, 7 of 25. 7 spot. Hoss K. Nice Kyle Lowry patch, 3 colors. Jersey, Eric Bledsoe, 38 of 99.
Joe D.
Joe D.
Did you pull Logan already?
Jersey, Jeff Teague, 24 of 99.
Adrian L.
Adrian L. Auto, 14 of 99, Udonis Haslem. 14.
Sod S.
Sod S. Auto, throwback, is Bob McAdoo. 56 of 99.
Robert B.
Robert B. Auto, Dominique Wilkins, 9 of 49.
Bradley W.
Bradley W. Nice Dominique. That's pretty cool. And on the back, rookie patch auto redemption, Sekou Doumbia. Random the all at the end. Random the all. And next box, guys, good luck. 1 more. We're on the regular random team styles after this. Okay, good luck. Let's see what we got. Oh my God. Oh, I hope that is what I think it is. Oh my God. 48 of 49. Bojan Bogdanovic, 48.
Nick K.
Nick K. Please don't make me look like an idiot. That card. Oh no.
I was gonna say say Shakespeare.
1 of 1. Robert Parrish plate. 1 spot.
Eric S.
Eric S. Got Jumbo Jersey. 44 of 99. Buddy Healed. 44.
Clayton T.
Clayton T. I usually don't feel the need to poker face it the whole way. Like, I get excited, and then I just don't say what it is. That's how I like to do it, at least. Got Patch. 1 of 10. 1 spot. Derek Rose.
Eric S.
Eric S.
I hope it's Cherokee Parks.
Cherokee Parks. Base auto sticker. Auto is Jalen Rose. That is 8 of 10. 8 spot.
Brian G.
Brian G. Nice. Gold auto. Colossal patch auto. 23 of 25. Miles Turner. Nice.
Corey A.
Corey A. 23. Nice vet patch auto. Got Jersey auto. Willie Cauley-Stein. 61 of 99. 61.
M. Mac.
M. Mac. Vet auto. Grant Hill. 7 of 25.
Hoss K.
Hoss K. I really hope it's a big card, or else I'm going to look like an idiot. Jumbo Jersey. Jarrett Culver. 89 of 99.
Timothy H.
Timothy H. 89. And it's not as crazy as I thought it would be, but still very nice. This is still money. Don't get me wrong. Relic card, well, patch card. 17 of 99. Zion Williamson. Boom.
Johnny M.
Johnny M. Nice Zion patch. Yeah, even the base relic cards are big hits for Zion. Even the base relic cards. Yeah, not the boom I was looking for, but nice card either way. Congrats on that. Alright, and a multi-random. Alright, random is Redemption, Sekou Doumbouya RPA, and this was a nice card too. So, random all on that, good luck. 4 and 2, 6 times. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Joe R. with the Redemption Sekou Doumbouya. And there you go. That'll do it for the break, guys. We got random style NTs up next. Sit tight.